There's no such thing as work-life balance. None!
Learn to be super successful. Subscribe to my channel, meathead. Now, this is a recurring theme, right? Success leaves clues. And all these guys that you'll ever study, not the guys you've been studying, but all these guys that are icons of on the planet that really changed the world, are 95% the same. 95% the same. In the cosmos of time, even Bill Gates, Einstein, Tesla, Henry Ford aren't a fart in the wind. In the cosmos of time, of the 13.8 billion years we've been here. So if those guys that I just mentioned aren't a fart in the wind, what are the role models that you were raised by? What are they? Obviously less than a fart in the wind. And that's why I say, with no qualifications or reservations, not everybody deserves to be born. Not everybody deserves to be alive. If we just put the benchmark, you had to add value to the planet, we'd have about 50,000 people instead of 7.6 billion that added value. And added value is creating wealth is adding value because you're creating jobs. You're allowing people to, to do more than they would have done on their own.